We've demonstrated all 7 stitches. Now let's see what areas remain. Like this wishing bottle above, we can divide it into upper part. This butterfly is middle part. These unstitched flowers below, we can consider as lower part. Let's look first at upper pattern. Let's examine this wishing bottle. Which stitches it uses? For outer outline, we can use backstitch we learned. To outline edges and express lines. For hard inside, we can use stem stitch combined with backstitch. 1 stitch on each side. And for these small circles, we can add French knots as accents. Let me demonstrate. First, using 3 strands of color number 12. For outer outline, start from bottle's left side. Come up here. Take 1 stitch forward. Come up 1 stitch length ahead. Return to first stitch point. Take down again. Continue up ahead. Return and down. Following backstitch steps. Complete bottle outline. And inner lines too. Keep stitches close together. No gaps. Keep stitch size consistent. For uniform, beautiful lines. Here at curve. Make spacing smaller. To create curved shape. Final stitch. Come up next to first stitch point. Return and down, creating connection. Outer back stitch complete. Now for inner parts. These 4 lines are short. 1 short stitch each is enough. Here it's short. Also 1 straight stitch. Take down. Let's look at result. Now for hard on this side. Using back stitch again. Using 3 strands of color number 6. Come up here. Take small stitch forward. Following backstitch method. Complete heart shape. Here it curves. Make stitches smaller. For more pronounced curve. Return and down. Backstitch heart complete. Using same color. Add French knots above. Come up at circle center. Wrap thread twice around needle. Point down at center. Pull thread. Only small line here. Add 1 straight stitch. Make this stitch smaller. For accent effect. Let's look at result. For remaining heart, use different color. Using 3 strands of color number 5. Using stem stitch method. After up, take small stitch forward. Don't pull tight. Leave loop on fabric. Come up at middle point. Take another small stitch forward. Again, don't pull tight. Leave loop on fabric. Come up next to first stitch point. Let me show again. Take down ahead. Come up next to previous stitch. Here's also curved. like backstitch. Make stitch spacing smaller to create curved shape. Following this method, complete remaining pattern. Final stitch down. Finally add French knots to 3 circles above. Wrap thread twice around needle. Point to center. Let's look at overall effect. Now for middle pattern. See dotted line behind. Use running stitch to outline. Butterfly's upper wing. We can use satin stitch. For body, use straight stitches, including 2 dotted lines. Add French knot for eye. Let's start with dotted line. Using straight stitch method. Using 3 strands of color number 12. Come up at left end. Take 1 stitch forward. Since segments are separated, just come up at segment start. Take down at other end. Following these steps, complete dotted line. Keep spacing consistent. For uniform lines, let's look at result. Now for butterfly front. First straight stitch antennae. Add 2 straight stitches for body. Take 1 stitch forward. Then come up here. Take another stitch forward. Makes body look fuller. Come up here again. Add French knot. Butterfly body complete. Now for upper wing. Using 3 strands of color number 4. For middle wing, using satin stitch. Come up at center. Take down vertically below. Divide pattern in half. Complete 1 half first, then other half. Come up next to first stitch. Take down vertically below. Following these steps, complete pattern. Use different color for other wings. Using 3 strands of color number 6. Start from center again. Take down. Divide pattern in half. Using satin stitch method. Complete remaining patterns. Let's look at overall effect.